We came here with our brave heart. Diba? It's better today than before because it was windy. Windy and scary, and then it was our first time. Karon right here ako nyari. Yan. Isn't it beautiful? Oh, dagan-dagan pa ko. Oh, oh. Yung feeling ng na ano na you are scared that your phone will fall down because when you look down it's yung height na kala mo mahulog talaga yung gamit mo. Kapoy na, kapoy? Di gani ko mo tanaw sa ilalom eh. Feeling brave. Feeling brave rako. Kastrup. Hello to Helsinki. It's 940 kilometers from here.
Going straight.
Going straight. Let's go there. Where? Which way?
There, go straight.
There, just go straight. Yeah. Man. So finally we're here on the top. The last floor. The last floor, and it's about I'm not sure. I didn't check it yet. But anyway, this is the floor. It's a bit mahangin. And then Kalo. Okay. Yes, I'm coming there. Yeah, take a photo. Ooh, tanawa ba? Nice kayo. I'm ready. And then jump. Jump. Sa silong, sa silong. Sa silong tayo, sa silong. Okay. Welcome, Kalo. Alright. 1, 2, 3. Ay, kadali lang daw. Alright. Yes, it's true. Oh, dali. Sayang si Eric and Jasper went down already. Yan, up.